Ever wondered how to turbocharge your business growth? The answer lies in the Business Accelerator Kickstarter workshop. Over a transformative period of 7 weeks, this program equips you with essential tools to carve out your business path with clarity and confidence. Don't just take our word for it. Hear it those who have walked this path before. Adam, from a successful Tennessee-based landscaping firm, shares that being able to put action to his 90-day goals was powerful. Or consider the experience of David, office manager of a lawn care and landscape business in Ohio, who says, "Besides focusing on the big goals, this workshop gets you to focus on all the important in-between steps and smaller goals that you would otherwise have missed." The Business Accelerator Kickstarter workshop is not just about teaching, it's about transforming. You will delve into the heart of your business, developing a mission, vision, and purpose, all tailored to your unique needs. You will be guided to discover your business's immutable laws, those fundamental truths that underpin your operation. Then, you'll learn how to set the benchmarks that matter, the ones that will push your business to new heights. You'll master the art of goal setting, understanding how to create objectives that are not just ambitious, but also achievable. And that's not all. The workshop will take you through the process of crafting a business strategy plan. This is your roadmap to success, a step-by-step guide to navigate the complex business landscape. The Business Accelerator Kickstarter workshop is not just another program. It's a journey towards accelerated growth, a journey towards achieving your objectives, and a journey towards long-term sustainability. So don't wait, the time to act is now. Visit us at grow.greenprofitacademy.com to sign up. Embark on this transformative journey with the Business Accelerator Kickstarter workshop today. Because in business, as in life, the only constant is change. And the best way to face change is to prepare for it.